What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. In this review, we have the HART Deep Cleaner. Now, me and my wife, we was browsing in Walmart and we said, you know what? Let's go ahead and try this out. So basically, this is her product because she wants to get some cleaning done, some deep cleaning done, and we are going to do that on our island chairs. Now, when you get it out the box, of course, we already took it out the box, so I'm ready to show you everything that comes in the box. You have the hose, you got the brush that comes with it, and that's about it. That's all you really need. On this side, you have your solution tank. To take it off, there's a button right here at the top, eject, and it comes off just like that. And this is a fill cap. So you take this cap off, you twist it, it's on tight, twist it off, and you put your solution and whatever mixture that you need in here.
You put the solution in the cap and then you pour it in and you put water in.
You put the solution in this?
You put it right there to dump it in.
All right, so you put the solution inside this cap and then you pour it in here with the water that you need to complete your mixture. Put it back on, twist it, all right, and set it back in. So this is the solution side. On this side is the dirty tank water. Obviously you can see there's a little bit of dirty water in there because she already started the cleaning. All right, once again, there's an eject button right here at the top. You press down, pull out, and there's a knob right here. You lift up all the way. You lift up, you bring it back. Do it again. You lift up, bring it back, and you can dump all of your dirty water. All right, now we have a clean tank. Place in, and it snaps all in one place. So basically, something like this is not to do heavy duty. Now, you still might need heavy duty for your main carpets. All right, you guys, so on the top of this, there is a on and off button. You turn it on. All right, you guys, I know y'all can't hear me while that's going off. I'm talking at the same time, so I was just pressing my trigger out just to show y'all the trigger squeezing the water out. Now, depending on however y'all use y'all carpet deep cleaner, rug cleaner, whatever you want to call it, it's a deep cleaner. However you use it, I know some people actually just spray the water while they cleaning it. Some people just spray the water out and then brush. So however you want to clean it is your choice. I don't think there is a right or wrong way to do this method as long as your furniture get clean. Back to cleaning. Okay, you guys, so now we at a spot on the carpet. Now, I'm not saying that use this to do your whole carpet. This is pretty much a spot cleaner. This is not to replace the carpet cleaners that you rent, well, however often you rent, every season or whenever. But this is not to replace that. This is just to do little household chores or get spots out your carpet. So let's see if we can get this out. I'm gonna turn it on so y'all won't be able to hear me.
Just some wonder.
Okay, you guys, so I'm not gonna put 100% I'm not going to give 100% praise to the machine. My wife actually sprayed this solution down first. So we use this solution right here before we put it down. It's called Oxy Stain Destroyer. All right. Hopefully y'all can see it and it's not blurry. So Oxy Stain Destroyer, and then we use the Oxy Deep Clean. This solution we put in the machine. So we spray with this first, and then we use this in the HART Deep Cleaner. Now, let's go ahead and have some fun. This stain been here for a very long time. And hopefully we can get it out. Let's see. All right, you guys, I'm just about out of solution, but right there, that spot is clean. You can actually see it on the camera that this is probably the cleanest part of this carpet. So we are going to have to get us the big carpet cleaner, and we are going to use the same solution and re-clean our carpets. We cleaned the carpets before, but it's time to clean it again. But we just wanted to do a spot cleaning just in case, you know, kids, animals, and, you know, spots happen. So this is a good tool along with the solutions that I use. All right, you guys, so I can honestly say that this machine does the job. These chairs look brand new, and it's not just the machines, it's the solutions that we use. So just giving y'all a heads up on that, and that will be it for this weekend chore.